Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen Witch. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the brim of the hat with a line across. And let's do the same thing on top. And close off each end with a curve down like this. Now on top, let's draw the ears. Let's start on the left. We're going to hop in and let's draw a bump up and down. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And now let's continue the hat on top. Let's draw 2 angles up in the center here. And close off the top with a curve across. Now inside the hat, let's draw a line across at the bottom. And then 2 lines down inside. Now let's hop in and let's draw a rectangle shape in the middle here. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw Pusheen's face. Let's start underneath and let's draw 2 curves out like this for the mouth. And add another bump underneath. Now top out and let's draw a circle on each side for the eyes. And color both of these in black. Now that we're done the face, let's continue the body. Let's continue that same line that we drew the ear underneath by curving it down on the left. And then let's add a bump out and back in for the hand. Now let's continue the body by curving it down and in. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw a long curve down and curve it in at the bottom. Now to finish off the bottom, let's draw a bump down on the left and the right for the feet. And then a curve across in the middle. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and let's draw the whiskers by drawing 2 curves at the top on the right and 2 on the outside on the left here. Now let's hop in and on the right side here, let's draw a curve down and back up for the other hand. And then along the right side, let's draw 2 bumps down on the edge. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the tail on the bottom right. Let's draw a curve up, around, and back in. And then let's add some curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for the tail. Now let's draw the wand inside the left hand. Let's start on top of the hand and let's draw an angled line up. And continue it underneath with a shorter line. Now from the top, let's draw a curve. And bring it down. and close off the bottom with another curve. Now at the top of the wand here, let's draw a few sparkles. Let's draw 2 curves down and out, and 2 more coming to a point underneath. And let's draw another one in the same way on top here. And that's it for Witch Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!